You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary in English. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Psithurism, the sound of rustling leaves or wind in the trees. Beautiful image, isn't it? Psithurism, C, silent P, Thurism. In the US it's sometimes pronounced more as Psithurism. Psithurism, it's how it's generally said, Psithurism. And now you know, like this video, if you found it useful, appreciate the support, it helps for that. Thank you for that. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video, if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.